So now, okay, my student will explain how to write the code, how to write code to check given number is prime. Okay. Now student will explain. Huh? Okay, let us student write the code. How to write code to check given number is prime in Python.
Def keyword.
Okay, wait. Okay, Tejasri, explain the code
Yes.
in Python. Okay. Okay, now write the code. What is the question today? How to write code in Python to check given number is prime number. Okay. Explain the code.
Def keyword.
Def keyword. Why def will be used?
డెఫ్ ఫంక్షన్ మనం రాసిన కోడ్ ప్రతిసారి ఎంటర్ కోడ్ ప్రతిసారి రాయకుండా మనం ఓన్లీ ఒక కాల్ చేస్తే ఫంక్షన్ మనం రాసిన కోడ్ అంతా వచ్చేస్తుంది సార్.
Def
రిపీటెడ్
keyword.
గా రాయకుండా
Def keyword will be used in Python to create a function. Whenever you want to create a user-defined function, def keyword function will be created with def keyword in Python. Okay, if you want to create user-defined function in Python, def keyword will be used. Okay, def. Without def, suppose if you don't want to keep def keyword, you can't create a user-defined function. If you want to create a user-defined function, def keyword compulsory. Okay, def means Python interpreter understood that, okay, this programmer has written the code to create a user-defined function. This function is user-defined function, not built-in function. Okay, next.
is underscore prime.
What? What?
Is underscore prime.
Underscore prime. Okay. What do you mean of
bracket.
what is this? Is underscore prime.
అది మనం ఇచ్చే నంబర్ సార్.
This is the name of the
ఆ
function.
ఫంక్షన్ కి మనం ఇచ్చే నంబర్ సార్.
Name, not number. This is the name of the function, not the number. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is the name.
Open bracket.
Every function must have a name. Every function, user-defined function. Whenever programmer wants to create a function in Python, def keyword compulsory. Then after a name to be kept for the function. Okay. A function we need to keep a name for that function. Is underscore prime. So this is the name of the function. Here in this place, see, then after what? Why it is giving red line there?
Open bracket, close bracket.
Always functions and methods must follow the brackets. Function or method must have
open bracket, close bracket.
They are called in programming parenthesis. Okay. They are called in programming parenthesis. Okay, next. Next.
నమ్మని ఇవ్వండి సార్.
Okay. Next. Why it is getting
colon ఇవ్వండి సార్.
It is giving error. See, whenever you keep the mouse here, it gives a indication to you, expected colon. So Python interpreter, it helps you. You are missing the colon, expected. So here colon is expected. Okay, colon. Okay. So now there is no any. Still you are getting what? Still you are getting.
నెక్స్ట్ ఎంటర్ చేయండి సార్.
ఇదేంటిది ఏం చెప్తుంది? ఈ why it is giving
ఇండెంటేషన్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తాను సార్.
ఇండెంటేషన్ ఇవ్వాలి ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి?
ఇఫ్ కండిషన్స్ రాసుకుందాం సార్.
If you don't want to write any statement, simply keep pause here. Pause. Okay. If you don't want to write any statements, simply write pause. Function created with a name. What is the name of the function?
ఈజ్ అండర్స్కోర్ ప్రైమ్.
Ante in further, if you want to call that function, you can use this name, is underscore prime. Okay. ముందు ముందు నువ్వు ఆ ఫంక్షన్ కాల్ చేయాలి అంటే ఈజ్ అండర్స్కోర్ ప్రైమ్ అనే పేరుతోటి కాల్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే ఓకేనా? అయితే జస్ట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు ఆస్క్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్, వెదర్ ఐ కెన్ కీప్ మై నేమ్ హియర్?
Yes, sir.
Any name you can.
We can also write any name, sir.
Any name, your name, my name, XYZ. Just the function must have a name so that in further, in future, if I want to call that function, I can call that function with that name. కాకపోతే ఏంటంటే we need to keep suitable, appropriate names for the function. Suitable names ఉంచాలి. అంటే as per that task, by that function, which type of task we will complete by that function. Okay. By that function, which type of task we will complete, we will achieve, we will get. ఆ ఫంక్షన్ వల్ల మనకి ఏమి ఉపయోగం జరుగుతుంది, ఏ టాస్క్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుందో, as per that we need to keep a suitable name. So here our function is what we are creating to check back whether a given number is prime or not. So is prime అంటే the function వల్ల is a number is prime, that number is prime, yes or no, to check back. So this function is underscore prime. So this function will check the given number is prime, the given number is prime. So is underscore prime. Okay, next.
తీసేయండి సార్.
What?
పాస్ తీసేయండి సార్.
What happened to your throat? Are you affected by any throat infection?
If
okay, if
number less than or equal to 1,
num less than equal to 1,
colon, enter return false.
Return false. Okay.
Next enter
Okay.
for I in range, open bracket,
okay,
2 comma int,
okay,
open bracket,
okay,
num double star 0.5, closed bracket, plus 1, colon,
okay.
enter if num less than or equal to percentage ఇవ్వండి సార్ అక్కడ.
Hmm.
percentage I
Hmm.
equal to 0
Hmm.
colon
Hmm.
enter
Okay.
return false.
Hmm.
Next enter
Hmm.
return true.
Okay.
Next enter
Hmm.
while true
Okay.
colon
Hmm.
enter
Hmm.
num equal to
Num equal to
int open bracket input
okay.
open bracket
Okay.
single quotation
Okay.
enter a number
Okay. Hmm.
enter
Okay.
enter
Nah.
if if is underscore prime
If is underscore prime. Okay.
open bracket
Okay.
open bracket
Okay.
num
Num.
colon
Huh?
colon
Ah.
enter
Hmm.
print
Print.
open bracket
Okay.
formatted string
Okay. Hmm.
అక్కడ బ్రాకెట్స్ పెట్టి నమ్ అని పెట్టండి సార్
Okay.
కర్లీ బ్రేసెస్ నమ్
Hmm.
ఈజ్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్
Hmm.
ఎంటర్
Hmm.
ఎల్స్
Okay.
కోలన్
Ah.
కోలన్